Let me know when you can see my screen. Is my screen visible?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
cool. So I'll be sending you a file with an extension IPNV. Okay, with an extension .ipnv. It's a Jupyter file basically. Okay, so I'll be sending you this one PYC2 or for a AS like that assignment file will be there. Okay, what you guys have to do is that open your Google Chrome Colab. Sorry, any browser you can open and then open your Google Colab. Okay, once you open it, log in with your Gmail ID. Okay, once you have opened the Gmail ID, like your Google Colab, what is going to happen? Either this screen will pop up, or if this screen pop up, then you have to click on new notebook. Okay, new notebook, you have to open it. Okay, the new notebook basically is what where basically we do the coding and stuff on our. Okay, now either that will open, or suppose if I don't have any that open, like that window pop-up didn't happen. Okay, suppose this got open over here. What you need to do in this case, you have to click on file, then click on new notebook. Okay, click on new notebook over there. Now I have already, I'll be sending you an email or an attachment of these assignments as an IPNB file. Okay, what you have to do, you have to click on file, then you have to click on upload notebook. Okay, notebook is something I'll be sending. The notebook file extension is .ipnb. Okay, interactive Python notebook. NB is your notebook. And then click on browse over here, then select the file basically which you want to which is your assignment or what the assignment file I have sent you. Select that, click on open. Okay, it will upload into your Google Chrome. Okay, it will upload into your Google Colab. Sorry. Okay, in Google Colab you can do multiples programming, not only Python. You can do JS and other programming language also, you can use it. Okay, now I have opened it. It will be open like this. Okay, your file or assignment will be open like this. Okay, instruction are there. Now what is the output of this? You can print it out. Okay, you can click on code. Okay, a cell will be pop up. Okay, a new cell will be generated. You can write your answer over here. So answer, and then you can write it up. The output is going to be Python. Okay, with an spaces, right? The first one is going to be spaces. So Python, sorry, okay, Python will be why? Because this directly I'm printing out the lang function over there, lang variable. Okay, so this is spaces are going to come for sure. Okay, now the second question, this one is there, second sentence, lang dot strip. So lang dot strip, if I print it out, what will happen? No spaces will be there. No white spaces are going to, all the white spaces will be deleted both from the starting and ending like that. If this is the question, click on code. You can write as an hashtag this one, execute it, and you can write it over here what your answer is. Okay, once done, once this you have completed all the questions which are present over here, done or already done, then what you have to do, click on file, click on download, then click on .py. Okay, Python file only, .py file. Okay, click on that. Once you have downloaded the file, I'll click on this one. I have downloaded the file. You have .py file over here in your local system. What you have to do it, open your Gmail ID. Okay, open your Gmail ID or Gmail ID, or you can yeah, open your Gmail ID basically. Click on compose. Okay, and here you can write MSA tutor py. Okay, and the assignment, what, which assignment, assignment number you can give it, or assignment on string data type. Okay, okay, assignment on string data type, or you can write it up solution of assignment on string data type. Then you have to attach whatever file you have downloaded after completion, and then click on the send button. Is the assignment process clear to everyone? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay. And one more thing, this is my YouTube channel. Few of the useful video I used to you upload, or in the middle I use it. Now I am not currently active over there. You can even, if you want, you can subscribe it, or you can check videos over there. I think I was searching basically this assignment helpful guidance video also, but I didn't able to find out. So I thought of why not to have it over this. Okay. Now one more thing, in your Google Colab you can change the runtime, the processing speed. Okay, how you gonna do it? Okay, for example, okay, now what you can, if you want to change the processing of your Google Colab, you need to click on run. By default it will use your own system processing and all. Click on run, click on change runtime. You can have GPU or TPU for free. Okay, you can click that. Suppose TPU I'm selecting, saving over here, and then I need to click on connect. Okay, it will connect to a TPU processor. Okay, connect to a TPU processor. Connected, your processing will be faster over there. But just for executing this all, we can use our own system connector. Here you can see, even though my system is having 2 GB of RAM, but now after getting connected to this, I can see it is 13 GB of RAM and 110 GB of hard disk size it has given to me. Okay, that again the process will be learned. Okay, is it clear? Anyone in doubt regarding assignments process?
It's clear. Yeah.
Oh, okay, thank you very much.